This is a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE minivan. Burgundy over beige leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, power locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, navigation, CD player, heated seats, push button start, power moonroof. There's a look at these second row seats. Dual power sliding doors. Aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera. There's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Mercedes-Benz Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.